Good Wednesday, everyone. Our USA mortgage level of concern, level 0. So we have no weather worries for our Wednesday. Premier Generators bringing us our threat outlook. No severe weather for the next 5 days. That may change as we get a little farther out in time into next week. But I'll keep an eye on things. Clearview Closet and Blind brings our 5-day forecast. Wednesday, we have clouds increasing later today because we have a front and a storm system kind of coming in tonight. It's a weak system. But we get up into the upper 60s for daytime highs this afternoon. And then just in time for my birthday, the most active weather day on the 5-day, and that's not saying a whole lot. 50% chance for showers, probably not going to add up to a whole lot. Northwest wind at 10, gusting to 20, though, is going to cause that high in the low 50s to feel a lot chillier than that. Friday, we have mostly sunny skies, highs in the mid, maybe upper 50s. And then Saturday, we're windy. Winds are out of the west at 10, gusting to 25 at least. Highs in the mid 50s. The reason why those winds are so strong is because we have a cold front that's coming in that night. It's a strong cold front, but it doesn't have any moisture with it. So it doesn't look like we're even going to get a shower out of it. But it does drop our temperatures for Sunday down into the mid 40s and then overnight lows in the 20s there on the weekend. Upper Cumberland Federal Credit Union bringing us our precip forecast, and I know that they wish they could bring us a little bit better news in this department because we could use a little bit more rain. But we're looking at now, we had looked at maybe 2/10. Now we're looking at, if we're lucky, up to a 10th. I'm not even sure we'll get enough to wash the salt off the roads from this thing, but we'll see. We'll definitely get enough next week, and that's what the Weichert Realtors Extended Threat Outlook shows. Today, the well above normal temperatures, but then next week looking much more active. So probably going to have some rain on Monday, but I don't think that'll be problematic in any way. Tuesday and Wednesday could be a bit more active. We have a very strong storm system that'll be developing, and anytime you get that this time of the year, you got to watch out for the potential for a severe weather risk, and you got to watch out for the potential for a heavy rainfall risk. And I'll be keeping my eyes on both of those threats as we get closer to that time. On this day in weather history, brought to us by Bramble Brook Boutique. 1910, parts of Washington State were in the midst of a storm which produced 129 inches of snow. Wouldn't that be amazing? Can you imagine if Crossville got 120? Anyway, 1970, that ended up being a very deadly avalanche situation for them, though. So that's 129 inches is a little bit too much. I don't need quite that much snow. 1972, the Buffalo Creek disaster occurred in Buffalo Creek Hollow of Logan County, West Virginia. This was a bad situation, folks. A coal slag dam on the Middle Fork of Buffalo Creek burst, sending a 50-foot wall of water down a narrow valley, killed 125 people, $51 million in damage. That's in 1972 dollars. 3 days of rain atop a 6-inch snow cover prompted the dam break. It was just way too much. You can Google that and learn all about the Buffalo Creek disaster. That was a terrible situation. But you folks have a wonderful Wednesday and keep looking up. And for more weather information to keep with all this crazy plateau weather, you know where to go, meteorologistmark.com.